Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna walk you through my website. This is my homepage, shop, coaching page, contact, blog post, accent training membership. So when you click on shop icon, you can see all of my courses and coaching services. This is the accent training membership, conversational English pronunciation and accent training. This is a one-on-one coaching. English pronunciation and accent training course. This is ebook. International Phonetic Alphabet, one-on-one coaching. Standard English pronunciation and accent training. And today I've just launched my 100 phrasal verbs with 60 mini stories. When you click on it, you can see add to cart or buy now. If you'd like to preview before purchasing this course, you can download this preview. And if you'd like it, you can proceed to buy now. So here, please enter your email address, your first name, last name, and click PayPal. I don't have to enter my email address. So after purchasing, you can receive this message. Thank you for your purchase. And you can download this file. So after downloading it, you can view the course on your PPT or Canva if you use Canva. So this is the 100 phrasal verbs with 60 mini stories. You can see there are 20 verbs, and each verb I created 5 phrasal verbs. Let's see: turn, turn up, turn off, turn on, turn around. And this is the mini story in the present. Diane works at Hyundai Motor Company in the HR department and has been there for a considerable amount of time. She loves her job and always comes in early, which her boss notices. One day, she receives a job promotion, but she turns it down due to the high expectations from her boss. This decision turns her boss off, and now she needs to turn him on again, otherwise she risks losing her job. So you can see I bold the phrasal verbs and verbs: works, loves, comes, receives, notices, turns it down. So it's easy for you to recognize and understand. And this is in the past. Diane worked, she loved, always came, received, turn it down, turn her boss off. And this is in the future. Diane will work, she will love, will receive, will come, she will turn it down. So same pattern: give, give up, give in, give out, give off, give back, with meanings and examples. Story in the present, in the past, in the future. After completing this course, you'll become a creative and wider your imagination. So congratulations on completing the course. You are now equipped to speak better English and understand the correct usage of present, past, and future tenses through engaging mini stories and phrasal verbs. You can also use these resources for your students if you are a teacher, or you can master these phrasal verbs by creating with your own mini stories and example sentences. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me through my email or any of my social media accounts like Facebook Messenger or Instagram. And I hope to see you on the course. Have a good one. Bye for now.